Hey, it's Chelsea Miller, and I just used this and it's absolutely amazing. It cleaned my whole bed in about 15-20 seconds. It was so easy to roll. It has a double suction on the top and bottom. It has these two big wheels on the bottom and these two little ones in the middle. Very sturdy, and it picked up quite a bit for my first use. So I just used this on my black sheets, and I will show you a demonstration, and it was awesome. So if you have pets that you sleep with where there's hair in the bed, or if you have a husband that maybe likes to snack in the bed, this will get all the crumbs, it will get all the pet hair. And for me, I mostly got dust right out of the box. So it's very nicely packaged and protected. As you turn it on, you're gonna get all these functions simultaneously, including vacuum, UV, tapping, and ultrasonic. So here's a quick demo of how fast it moves. And so now we'll test it out on my sheets. The black sheets really do show so much dirt. I love that you can even vacuum the side of your bed. This was awesome because normally I would have to lint roll the dust off of that part, and even the corners of the bed vacuum so well. I highly recommend this vacuum for your sheets so that you can keep your crumbs away, your dust gone, and any dirt and debris out of bed, keeping your sheets nice and clean and saving time on washes in between. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.